Today, we're going to make authentic pad thai with chicken and shrimp. It's one of the best pad thais that I've had. First, we're going to rehydrate 8 ounces of rice noodle with boiling water. Next, we'll make our pad thai sauce. Mix 1.5 ounces of tamarind pulp with half a cup of hot water. Then push the mixture through a fine mesh strainer. Throw out any leftover solids. Then add 3 tablespoons of palm sugar or white sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. Next, we're going to cut the vegetables. Slice 2 shallots into lengthwise strips. Cut 1 cup of garlic scapes. Dice 1 tablespoon of green onion for garnishing. Next, wash and dry 1 chicken breast. Then slice it into thin strips. Now, put the chicken in a bowl. Add 4 ounces of DESHELLED shrimp, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of water, and mix well. Let it marinate for 10 to 20 minutes. After marinating, cook the chicken and shrimp in a hot pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. The shrimps cook quickly, so try not to overcook them. You can remove the shrimp when they turn orange and finish cooking the chicken. Next, mix 3 eggs well and cook in a hot pan until about 80% done. We will finish cooking it when we mix it in the final dish. Now we'll be blending a 1/4 cup of dried shrimp until it becomes a coarse powder. These shrimp will add an amazing fragrance to our pad thai. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, we can assemble everything. In a wok or large pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil and the dried shrimp. Cook on a medium-high heat until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add your shallots, 3 cloves of minced garlic, and stir fry for 30 seconds. Add the garlic scapes, cooked rice noodle, pad thai sauce, then mix for another 2 minutes. Next, we add the mung bean sprouts, chicken, shrimp, egg, and stir fry for another minute. Plate the pad thai and garnish
Your masterpiece!
with some roasted peanuts, green onion, and a lemon wedge. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, so you don't miss out on any new videos. By the way, if you like fried chicken, you can check out my previous video where I make KFC's secret fried chicken recipe.